sladká zpívají. Co my dva z lásky vlastně máme? Hlubokou šachtou padáš myš. Já říkám kyš kyš, na vrch má vždycky těžký kámen. A my jsme v konci čím dál blíž. A mrtuha náči baba jaj, dary, dary, a mrtuha náči baba jaj, dary, dary, dary.
Marina Wien was very fancy and luxury. I didn't quite feel that we, and at least Mine-Lisa, fit in there.
No, not with all the fancy people with high heels and nice dresses and jewelry, drinking their champagne.
It was something different at least.
Yes.
And you wanted something very different on this trip.
Yes. And normally I don't think we would have chosen this marina, but now it was very cool because we was in the middle of the capital.
So what do you think? Should we continue to Bratislava in Slovakia?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Hopefully we will find some more adventures and a new culture to experience.
This is just wonderful. Stopping in a little, I don't know, alt arm and just can go swimming. Wonderful. One of your goals with this trip was to go to a very warm country.
Yes, it was, but I did not really expect that it would be 35 to 40 degrees, especially not when you're in a small boat with no air condition, no shadow. That was definitely a challenge for us. But the good thing is that we were on a boat and we were on the river, so we could take a lot of small stops and anchor and swim in the river and cool down.
I really enjoyed that.
Yeah.
Cool, Matilda, so now we're in Slovakia and Bratislava.
Yay! Redan nu är det faktiskt lite mer spännande än att komma in i Österrike. Det känns mycket mer exotiskt på något sätt. Med alla de här husbåtarna, så kolla in här liksom.
Bratislava is a big contrast to Vienna. Adventure, here we come.
Yes, it was crazy. The shower had only a shower curtain in front of it, and the toilets was also very primitive.
And I really liked all the friendly people and the prices.
Yes.
It was so much
Amazing.
cheaper than Vienna.
Yeah.
The yacht harbor of Bratislava. It's very nice here, very cozy. But for some reason, I think we're the only guest boat here. There's actually quite a lot of activity of the local boats, but I don't know. Ready for Bratislava?
Yay!
De har mini-tasker.
Ja,
Perfekt matchende.
verkligen.
3,5 euro.
Hořká, sladká, zpívají. Co my dva z lásky vlastně máme? Hlubokou šachtou padáš myš. Já říkám kyš, kyš. Navrch má vždycky těžký kámen. A my jsme v konci čím dál blíž.
We have been in Bratislava the whole day now, but I think that we agree, both of us, why be in a big city when we can be out on the water?
Exactly. And it's much more interesting out here than in the big city, actually.
Yes.
Look here.
It's an interesting area that the harbor is in.
Ja, nu ska jag smaka de här slovakiska gurkorna. Okurki heter det faktiskt, för första gången.
Og du synes jo ligesom, at du har ligesom hørt, at man spiser dem som en snack.
Ja, precis. Det är en stark eftersmak, men jag trodde de skulle vara mer krispiga.
Jeg er lidt kritisk til det her. Det er dig, der ligesom har været primus motor i det her.
Men man äter sånt här i Slovakien.
Så spiser vi dem. Skål, eller hvad man
Skål. Kände du, det var inte så illa, men det var en stark eftersmak, det är surt.
Jeg er positivt overrasket, det må jeg sige.
Eller hur?
Amen Tuhanachi Baba Yai. Amen Tuhanachi Baba Yai.